Lại.
There you go, bud. And I've got more eggs in here too.
Okay.
Can't help me. Help me or don't bother me. Trời đất ơi, anh cái đuôi nữa.
Để lại. Bể để lại lấy gì?
Anh lấy độ vị lắm. Cái vị này được rồi nè, chứ em chưa gài đâu.
I was going to go down to Tractor Supply. Someone said they sell them little cartons down there, so I was going to go get a bunch of them cartons.
Oh, really? They sell them?
No, that's what they said. But I really don't know. Watch out. Yeah, if you got any broken ones, because I might have broken some. Is this one broken
Yeah,
here?
that one broke.
Yeah, this one. Okay. Hey, I think a crow or something tried to peck in that, don't you?
I think so too. Could be.
I'll throw these away. If you find any broken ones, take them out, please. Yeah, you know the crows were stealing them too, right?
Yes.
Who would ever not thought that?
Is that scary cold work?
Yeah,
You think it works?
I think it's working, but they said once the crows start stealing the eggs, that it's real hard to break them from it.
They don't care no more, huh?
Yeah. That's a lot of eggs, ain't it, Lou?
Yeah.
You can shoo that cat off. That's just a stray cat that came up here. I don't know whose cat that is. Okay, there's still a few more, Boo.
10.
I'll bet y'all have a few more today before nighttime. You know it?
Yeah. 8, 10.
I'll go put these back. Hey, Boo, so I want to get rid of all the roosters.
Yeah. I'm sure you're gonna have more.
I'm getting another rooster that they lay the blue eggs,
Yeah.
and that way I can hatch out some more chicks.
Yes. Yeah.
And I'll get the blue eggs out of
Yeah. I think it's best if you ever have time, you do call them. You right, color them, so that way next time you look at them, you know what exactly.
I'm gonna color them, and I got a pin right there. I can put them in.
Yeah.
And I can call you. You know what I mean, Boo?
Yes. Let's go catch some goose.
Okay, hold it. Let me get this tape ready.
Okay.
Yes!
Catch it? No. What happened?
Yes, that's
Okay,
right.
you got him. Bring him out. Get him by his legs. So he don't jump out. Get him by his legs. Here, you want me to help you, Boo? No. They're trying to escape. Okay, hold him upside down.
I bet.
Got him. So what, just tape him like that?
Yeah, just pay them tight so that way. They
Yeah, I had them real mean roosters in here and they was about to kill the rest of them. So like that, you
Yeah.
think? Will?
Oh yeah, that's good.
And put him in the box?
Yeah. This guy too, like this.
Con đây nè, con đây nè. Này gà chồng nè.
Hey, they can't jump out, can they, with their legs taped?
No, that's why I'm tying them with their legs. If not, they will jump out.
Yeah, so I'm getting another rooster, and it'll be the one that'll lay blue eggs.
Bắt
Right,
gà
Lou?
trong chuồng.
They call those Easter egg,
Easter
right?
eggers,
Something
yeah.
like that. Yeah.
That's what I want.
Yeah.
Well, these are part Easter eggers.
Yes, they are those green and
Yeah, blue eggs.
blue. Yeah.
And then I want some Marians that lays the real dark chocolate brown eggs also.
Mm. I
You
don't
know
know
what
they
I
have
mean?
that many different color or different kind.
Yeah, I want different kinds of eggs.
Con nào nữa em?
Lấy con đây kìa. Đó,
What?
con trong góc đó. Yes.
Get that big one, yeah.
Hai con luôn.
Are they both roosters?
No,
Nè.
just one.
Just
Just
one.
one.
How can you tell?
By their leg. Here you
Let me get some more tape. Hold on. I don't know how you can tell, Boo. I can't tell.
See, they have. Well, they all have it.
That little
But the
squirrel.
Rooster, yeah, they have a lot. This, but look at the female. See, he don't have them. See,
Yeah.
see the females. He don't have them. I show you.
Well, I think some females has that little comb.
But you see the male would have a lot taller, yes,
Yeah.
and bigger, too, thicker.
I know there's a lot of males.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's right. The male will beat up the female.
They're beating up
Yes,
each other.
they will
They're
beat
trying
up
to kill
quick.
each other.
Yes.
They're fighting each other.
See, like that black one. This guy here.
Yeah.
That's a male. I mean female. See?
I don't think you can really tell by that comb because I've seen them other ones wanting to. Oh, I don't know. I get real confused on them.
Let's see.
Man, you're good at catching them chickens.
No, they in here. It's easier.
Yeah.
How you get them in here?
I put some food in here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the male. See, I can tell.
Okay, hold on. Let me get some tape.
Mình chống nè.
Hey, I want to get rid of all the males, dude.
Yeah,
It might
I have
take me a
somebody that
while.
want them too, so
Good.
I can take whatever.
Cũng nặng đó
Get
anh.
some more.
It's big.
Yeah, but after you clean everything, it's probably weigh no more than 2 pounds, maybe.
Yeah,
Pound and a
who
half,
knows?
2 pounds.
Yeah. And I'm gonna get some more, Boo. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
see.
hatch some more out.
Oh yeah, if you start hatching,
That's what I want to do.
you're gonna have a lot.
Well,
So
there's
you don't
also
need-
animals coming up here and catching them and eating them.
Well, you probably have to fix your fence, probably.
Cái này con này con cái nè.
Hả? Con cái á. Được nè. Xám này nè. Con cái.
Cái này nè.
This nest work pretty good.
Yeah. Now, do you think that's? Yeah, that's a rooster.
Yeah, that's a rooster.
See how long their wings are. I know
Yeah.
they go by their wings too.
Is it?
See how long their wings are?
Yeah.
If their wings go back real far.
Yeah.
Hey, so look at that white one. I think that white one's a rooster.
Maybe small ones and stuff, not big yet.
No, right there. That one right there.
That one, the big white one?
Yeah, I think that's a
I
rooster.
can catch him. Hold on, let's see.
Do you think it's a rooster or not? I mean, because I can't tell.
That one?
Yeah, should we wait?
Yeah, that one. I don't think.
I
it's
want to have
rooster.
my hens so we can have a
That
lot of
guy's
eggs.
rooster.
Huh?
The black one right there. This guy here.
Okay, well if you're sure they're roosters.
Em nghĩ nó để sen nó nhảy ra khỏi xe.
Chút đẩy lại. I close the lid when I'm.
Vậy anh
doing
phải
the
bỏ
bed.
cái kia ra trước, không lát nữa vướng á, sao bỏ?
They gotta have air though, don't they?
Yeah, I crack them up. It won't go tight. If not, I poke some hole too.
Hey, I'm gonna get all the roosters. I mean, it might take me a few days, but if I can mark them, I can catch them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start feeding them
I
in
mean,
here.
it's not a one-time thing. Next time I come back, a couple weeks later, picks up some more or whatever.
And then I want to get that other rooster. I've got the other rooster, but I haven't turned him in here yet because I wanted to catch all these.
So when you get them, make sure you color code them or something. So
Yeah.
next time you know which one it is. Hey, for my honey.
Do you think that's a rooster right there?
You talking about the white one, right? This white one here?
Yeah, I don't know.
No, that's the male. That's the male. This guy here may be a rooster, the small one. This guy here. But I was looking for the black one. This black guy here.
Okay, let me
see.
get some more tape.
Let me see. Let me double
I don't know how you can tell because I can't tell. I'm having a hard time telling, dude.
check.
You've been at this chicken business longer than I have.
No. I just ate chicken.
Yeah, that's a lot of roosters, isn't it? Do you think that's a rooster?
This one a little bit small, so I don't think maybe.
Hướng chân gà trống nó có chân, nó có cái cục cửa ở ai.
Let me cast a female one. So I can tell. This guy might be a rooster.
Let me look. Let me help you hold them. How do you know? I'm just gonna stick that so we don't.
I think it's female.
I think this is a rooster.
See, this one really don't have no wings that go way back.
Yeah. See this one? Look at this one.
Let me see. I don't know. What do you think?
I think this is probably a rooster. It looks male to me.
Okay.
It looks like bone.
They're hard to tell, aren't they?
Yeah.
Well, they're still young, you know.
I mean, we get pretty good guess, you know, but see how I còn mấy con kia hả? Oh, he's still there. He right there. See him? He's still there.
Yeah, he jumped out.
There. That's why we want to tie him good. If not, they fly out.
Yeah, see, I think they're talking about these.
Yeah, they'll
products
come out more.
They're supposed to be longer. See? Yeah, I know that one's a male for sure.
Yeah. We'd always check when everything later on. I think everything in here is a male. I mean a female. Con này, màu đen này.
Hey, Boo, well, maybe I can catch some more, you know,
Yeah,
and just
This
where we can kind of make sure.
yeah. This week, next week, whatever.
And then when I catch them, I can separate them in a separate pen. Water's all run down here. It's just running underground. You're gonna get your shoes wet, Boo.
This one, I just go over there. You think I can catch him?
No, I already tried. It's impossible. I'm gonna have to. You know what? I can't put no feed out here. I'm gonna have to put it all over there.
That's a rooster right there.
Yeah,
See him?
yeah.
That's you can tell right there. He old. He's pretty old.
Wait, no, that's a hen right there. That one with the feathers off of her back.
Yes.
No, that's a hen.
Is it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. She just laid an egg.
It looked like Rooster to me.
No, this one right here is probably a rooster. No, that one with the feathers off of her back, that's from all them mean roosters jumping on her.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and that colorful,
Yeah,
brown colorful.
this right here, this big one right here, this is a rooster. Right there, he's in the weeds. There he goes that way. That's a rooster.
And you can tell by his leg too. Legs are huge.
Wow, how you tell by
Legs are big.
Yeah, he's just big all over. But they're young still yet, Boo.
Yeah.
I mean, some of them are,
I think that guy right there is Rooster too.
I bet it is. Some of them are younger than the other ones. But only by about a couple of weeks. You know, Chris hatched him out right before he left. He was,
So fast, right? They go so fast.
It's real muddy right there. That'll be real
that's
muddy.
right.
Yeah, it's real, oh yeah, we'll get them. Yeah, it's real muddy right there, so don't walk in that mud.
Yeah.
They go really fast, right? It's like what, 2 months? How long 50 about 2 months?
Yeah, they grow real fast.
Yeah.
I want to get some more, but
They eat all the bug and everything else, you know.
and I don't mow in here so that they'll just keep eating everything. Hey, so you think we can catch another one?
Yeah, I probably can.
If we can find out which ones are roosters, though.
Yeah, we can corner them and catch them.
They're hard to catch, Boo.
I think we get them to the corner, I can catch them.
Well, let's figure out which one's a rooster first. I think all them are hens, don't you? Now, what about that guy?
I think that guy right there. That's what I'm thinking.
Is that a rooster?
Is that a rooster?
No, that's a hen. That's
That's
one
a
of them.
hen?
That's the original Easter egger I had.
Okay. Yeah, that's not a rooster.
No, that's not a rooster.
They're all hiding now.
They're afraid.
You know, I started out with about 100, but
Yeah.
something's coming over here and getting them.
I think this fence might be not good enough.
No, it's
They
not.
get over it.
They're climbing over it.
Or they jump over to those pops.
Yeah,
They're really good jumping.
that's what it is. They're jumping over and catching them. I see them feathered.